students. Hope you all are good. And as you all know, today is Eid. So, Eid Mubarak to all of you. Now, starting with a question answers of Goggle's first day. Okay, first let me inform you that मैंने गॉगल फर्स्ट डे का चैप्टर विथ फुल एक्सप्लेनेशन मैंने ऑलरेडी अपलोड कर दिया है, तो आप लोग देख सकते हो उसको। और ये इसका क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है। तो ये जो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स अभी आपको स्क्रीन में दिख रहे हैं, ये एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस हैं, ठीक है। अगर आपको ये चाहिए है तो आप लिख सकते हो, अगर आपको नहीं चाहिए तो देन यू कैन जस्ट स्किप द वीडियो। अगर आप लोगों को वीडियो लेंदी लगता है तो आप लोग उसको स्पीड पे जाकर उसे 2x या 1.75 और 1.50 पे करके आप पूरा वीडियो देख सकते हो। ओके, सो रीड द लाइन्स एंड द आंसर। ये क्वेश्चन हो गए। आफ्टर दैट आंसर इन ब्रीफ। Why was Gogol very unhappy about a new name given to him? This answer is also there, I think so, in your book. You can find it out if it is there. After that, B. How do Gogol's parents try to convince him into accepting the new name? After that comes answer in details. What efforts does the principal take to make Gogol comfortable in school? After that, answer in details. Think and answer. Do you approve of the reason Gogol's parents give for the name change in school? Give reason. So that is free response. You can write it according to your. Okay. Now let me start students book answer key. From here your chapter starts. Okay, don't get confused. Understanding the text. First is, which sentence in para 1 shows that in Gogol's mind a new name is a new person different from him? He is afraid to be Nikhil, someone he doesn't know and who doesn't know him. Okay. Now second, Gogol's parents try to remove the boy's fear by teaching him something or making a promise. What do they teach and promise him? So very first we know that उन्होंने सिखाया था, है ना? So by teaching, and the answer is Gogol's parents teach him that every Bengali person has two names each. All of their Bengali friends in America as well as relative in Calcutta have one good name and one nickname. It is an intrinsic part of being Bengali. Then B. हाँ, दो चीज़ों से फेयर उसका दूर किया था। एक तो कुछ सिखाया था और दूसरी चीज़ एक प्रॉमिस किया था। व्हाट वाज दैट प्रॉमिस? दे ऑल्सो प्रॉमिस हिम टू कॉल गॉगल नो मैटर व्हाट हैपन्स। और उन्होंने ये भी प्रॉमिस किया था कि कुछ भी हो जाए वो तो उन्हें गॉगल ही बोलेंगे। नाउ कमिंग टू आंसर नंबर 3. What shows that the principal at first thinks the boy is just nervous and tries to win his confidence? So answer is, the principal bends down so that her face is in the same level with the boy's and puts a hand on his shoulder before asking him how old he is. This gesture shows the principal's compassion towards Gogol. Okay. इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन बेटा बहुत अच्छे से मैंने उसको एक्सप्लेन किया है पूरा। हाँ, डेफिनेटली इन इजी लैंग्वेज, नॉट टोटली इन इंग्लिश, नॉट टोटली इन हिंदी। हाँ, यू कैन से इट खिचड़ी लैंग्वेज, आई हैड यूज्ड इट, सो यू कैन गो एंड क्लियरली वॉच इट आउट। और आप लोग को कैसी लगती है इवन यू कैन सजेस्ट मी। ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. How does Ashok try to show the principal that Gogol is bilingual? What does he is doing that reveal to the principal? What do you mean by bilingual? मैंने already बताया था, जो दो लैंग्वेज यूज़ करते हैं। कैसे बताया था उन्होंने कि Gogol bilingual है। In order to show to the principal that Gogol knows English, Ashok addresses his son in careful accented English, but he calls his son by his nickname by mistake. This revealed that his son had two names, a fact which was by far not known to the principal. हाँ, ऑलरेडी मैंने कहा था, आप लोगों से भी कहा था मैंने, जो मेरा उस वीडियो देखकर आए होंगे उन्हें पता है कि मैंने उनसे एक रिक्वेस्ट की थी कि आप लोगों के घर पे एक नाम और कौन सा है, आप लोगों को और क्या निकनेम से बुलाते हैं। एक चीज़ वो, और दूसरी चीज़ कि आपका फर्स्ट डे कैसा था स्कूल में। काफ़ी बच्चों ने उस पर रिप्लाई भी किया था, एंड आई रियली लव्ड टू हियर ऑल दैट कमेंट्स एक्चुअली देयर। हाँ, वो हियर करना, सुनना ही है मेरे लिए, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है हाँ बच्चे सच में बोल रहे हैं। ऑनलाइन स्टडी से सच में ऐसा फील होने लगा कि हाँ जो हम बोल रहे हैं वो आप लोग सुन रहे हो, और जो आप लोग लिख रहे हो वो भी हम सुन रहे हैं, पढ़ रहे हैं पर सुन रहे हैं। When does Gogol begin to speak to the principal? After his father has left or before? What do you think that shows? So answer number 5. Gogol, who is otherwise quiet upon being introduced to the principal, begins talking after his father leaves. He confides in Mrs. Lapidus, the principal, that his parents want him to have another name at school. He preferred being called Gogol, a name with which he identified himself. हाँ, उसे भी वही गॉगल नाम ही पसंद था. दिस शोज दैट गॉगल डज नॉट ट्रस्ट हिज फादर टू रिटेन हिज निकनेम एज द ऑफिशियल वन. दिस ऑल्सो शोज हाउ बैडली ही वॉन्टेड टू बी कॉल्ड गॉगल. उसे गॉगल नाम ही पसंद था और उसे सच में स्कूल का नाम उसका गॉगल ही हो गया था. नाउ कमिंग क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. कैन यू गेस फ्रॉम पैरा 35 what little Gogol found specially interesting in school? In school, it seems that Gogol found the art classes to be specially interesting. हाँ, ये लास्ट पैरा में दिया हुआ है कि उसको सबसे अच्छा क्या लगा था, आर्ट क्लास में इंटरेस्ट था. These were his favorite hours of the week. He carved his name with paper clips into the bottoms of clay bowls and cups. He stuck uncooked pasta on cardboards. Below his painting, he never forgot to leave his signature in fat brush strokes. After that, coming to think and answer. Mrs. Lapidus nods, the reason being. The nod means she accepts. What does she accept? Mrs. Lapidus, the school principal, nodded when Ashok expressed his wish that his son be addressed as Nikhil instead of Gogol in school. Mrs. Lapidus accepted Ashok's wish. After that, she then asks for the reason. Reason for what? She wanted to know the reason for Ashok's wish of his son Gogol being called by the name Nikhil, when clearly it seems that his son prefers the name Gogol. Question number 3. Actually, first C. Is Ashok able to explain the reason? What does he say and what effect does it have on Mrs. Lapidus? On being asked for a reason, Ashok says that it is simply his and his wife's wish. Mrs. Lapidus does not quite follow Ashok and wonders if Nikhil is a nickname or a middle name for his son. When Ashok firmly clarifies that it is neither his nickname nor does he have a middle name, Mrs. Lapidus wonders why the boy doesn't respond on being called Nikhil. Coming question number 2. Can you write your name on this piece of paper? What do you think Mrs. Lapidus decides when she is unable to understand what a good name is? The boy's father is unable to explain it to her. Choose the correct answer. So there are 3 options. So option number B is right. That is, she decides to find out what name the boy himself wishes to have. After that, appreciating the text. The 3 characters in the text are adjusting to new situations and each of them responds in different ways. Read the text again and fill in this table. Name is Gogol. What was situation and how they respond. So Gogol is in a complicated situation where he is attending school for the first time and his parents want him to be addressed as Nikhil in school. This is a name that he had never responded to. He doesn't even identify with this name. And how they respond, Gogol does not respond at all on being called Nikhil by Mrs. Lapidus on the first day of his school. After that, Ashok had come to get his son admitted in his new American school. The environment is quite different in this school than what Ashok was used to in India. Here, teachers and principals prioritize the students' wishes rather than their parents, a norm much new to Ashok. His son wanted to be known as Goggle, his nickname, whereas Ashok and his wife wanted him to be called Nikhil. Much to Ashok's disappointment, the school principal, Mrs. Lapidus, wanted to call his son by his nickname Goggle. And how they respond is Ashok tries to convince Mrs. Lapidus that his son should be called by the name Nikhil in school. When Mrs. Lapidus wonders why his son does not respond to any name but Goggle, Ashok starts losing his patience. He insists that it is his and his wife's wish that their son should be called Nikhil. Now coming to third, Mrs. Lapidus. So situation was Mrs. Lapidus found herself in a unique situation where one of her students supposedly had two names. The student in question wanted to be addressed by one name, whereas his parents wanted to call him by some other name. And how they respond? Mrs. Lapidus acts as a mediator between Ashok and his son, trying to figure out what Ashok's son's name might be, in spite of Ashok's insistence that he should be called Nikhil. Mrs. Lapidus decides to call him Goggle since he did not respond to anything else. Now coming to grammar and usage. Page number 78. Complete these sentences with a and a the. Okay, that means that you have to use an article. What are article? Everyone knows, है ना? If you wish, I will upload a video on article also. So here is the answer key. You can just copy it down. A, and after that B. You have to write determiners. Even I have uploaded already the video of determiners. You can check it in my video channel. Okay. And after that comes words in use. So words in use. A, here it is, gets along with. Read these sentences and guess the meaning of the highlighted words or phrases. Gets along with is इसका meaning क्या होता है? Have a workable or friendly relationship. Got her message across to make her point understood. Got a handle on, to get a firm understanding of something. To get the better of is to surpass. After that comes B. Read these situations and write a sentence for each using the correct phrases with get. So here it is. We have a match coming up and we must somehow make them understand that they have to get going. Second is, I do not get along with them as their interests are very different from mine. My pets are always at war. Today the cat got better of the dog. And fourth is, Shreya got a handle on the topic only after the teacher explained it a second time. Okay, so here we have completed our full chapter. Hope it helps you. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye. Meet you in another video.